In the precious moments you sing, TJ will be with you. TJ actively goes into the world stage beyond Korea on the basis of the technological capabilities and know-how accumulated during its long history. From 2001, TJ sold over 1 million units of products when it started exporting them to Japan, where karaoke culture was originated. And in the Philippines, into which it went in 2006, TJ is the #1 seller in the karaoke market. Its superiority is acknowledged in Thailand, into which it went in 2007, and with great outcomes ranked #1 seller in the karaoke market. And it started business in China, Vietnam, and Indonesia from 2014 on the basis of its diverse global business experiences. The challenge of TJ toward the world continues, as it is at present preparing for entry into new countries. TJ is doing its best to develop the products which fit the market situation of each country and satisfy the changing needs of customers on the basis of its long tradition and technological capabilities, and develops and produces diverse sound systems, such as speakers, microphones, and amplifiers, in addition to the main karaoke player. It is also leading the market by introducing new technologies at all times to present new pleasures to its customers. The factory of TJ is equipped with diverse quality control facilities to manufacture perfect quality products, where tests are carried out under a strict standard that does not permit any minor error. As TJ has established a total system that enables the entire process from product planning to development of technology, contents manufacturing, production, quality assurance, distribution, and customer support. It develops and produces diverse products suitable for markets in each country. TJ develops diverse sound systems such as main karaoke player, speakers, microphones, and amplifiers optimally designed to fit for singing environment on the basis of continuous R&D, strict quality control, and high-quality music. As TJ members know the preciousness given by singing better than anybody else, TJ members are beating their brains and carrying out research to enhance the value of singing at all times. To share of the joy of singing with more customers, TJ is taking one more step into the world today. Together enjoy TJ.